Okay, this film will hopefully explain how to enlarge shapes and also explain some of the vocabulary that's used. So we'll hopefully understand what scale factor means, what enlargement means, what we mean by projection lines, and also the importance of the centre of enlargement. So we've got a shape there and we've got a red cross. The shape is a lovely salmon pink triangle, and the red cross represents the centre of enlargement, and we've got to try and do a scale factor 2 enlargement of our lovely salmon pink triangle. So how do we do that? Okay, the first step is to draw the projection lines, and they go from the red cross at the centre there through the corners of the shape that we're enlarging. So hopefully this will be demonstrated. You can see we've got our ruler, our magic ruler, and we've drawn a line from the centre of enlargement, the red cross, through the corner of the shape that we're enlarging. I've extended that line on for a bit. We don't know the precise distance just yet, but we will do shortly. The next step is to measure the distance from the centre, that's the red cross there, to the corner of the shape. And in this case we can work out that's 2 centimetres. Now we're doing a scale factor 2 enlargement. The distance from the red cross to the corner of the shape is 2 centimetres. So our enlarged distance will be 4 centimetres. It's doubled. So it was 2 centimetres from the centre of enlargement to the corner of the shape. So the distance to the enlarged shape will be 4 centimetres. So we put a cross at 4 centimetres on our projection line, and it's double the distance from the original shape. We do the same process for the other corners. So we draw a line and extend it beyond. We measure the distance from the centre of enlargement to the corner of the shape, in this case 3.5 centimetres, and then we double that distance. So 3.5 times 2 is 7, and we mark a cross at 7 centimetres. Now we've just got one more projection line to draw. We draw it from the red cross through the corner of the shape. Again we measure the distance, we double it, and that makes our cross there. The next thing we need to do is join up the dots to make our enlarged shape, or in this case join up the crosses, and you can see our magic ruler has made our enlarged shape, this time a pale purple triangle, and you can see that that is a scale factor 2 enlargement. Now we just need to do a few things to check that that's right. So if we use our magic ruler, we can see that the first shape, first triangle, is 2 centimetres across at the top there. Now if we move our ruler up there and measure the same line on the enlarged shape, we'll see that that's now 4 centimetres. So the scale factor 2 enlargement means that each dimension of the triangle is twice as big. Now we can check another line if we want. So if we rotate our ruler to make it vertical and put it up to the vertical line of the triangle there, we'll see that's 3 centimetres. So if our enlargement's correct, a scale factor 2 enlargement should make that 3 centimetre line 6 centimetres, which it has. So we're done. So to recap, we've worked on scale factor enlargements, projection lines, and the importance of the centre of enlargement. So hopefully that's a bit clearer.